Today I am reviewing Uwant 18KPa's carpet cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact carpet cleaner that can handle more than just occasional spills, the Uwant 18KPa's carpet cleaner machine is an interesting option, especially if you have pets or regularly deal with stains on fabric surfaces. I like the idea behind this machine because it focuses on the areas where a full-size carpet cleaner can be inconvenient. And if you want to check the product out or see the current price, you can find links below the video. The first thing that stands out is the 18KPa suction rating. Uwant positions this as a significant step up from 15KPa models, with the goal of pulling more dirty water and loosened debris out of carpets and upholstery. On paper, stronger suction is useful because a cleaner isn't doing much if it leaves a large amount of moisture behind. Better extraction can also help fabric dry more quickly. Of course, suction power alone doesn't guarantee perfect stain removal. The brush, cleaning solution, type of stain, and amount of time the stain has been sitting there all matter. So I wouldn't buy this expecting it to magically remove every mark in one pass. What makes the Uwant more interesting is the Pet Pro cleaning setup. The included pet-specific cleaning solution is designed for stains associated with pets, and Uwant claims it can improve cleaning efficiency compared with regular cleaning solutions. I think this makes the package more appealing for pet owners because you're not just getting the machine and having to figure out what cleaner to use separately. There's also a spray bottle included, so you can apply the solution directly to a stubborn spot before working on it. The basic cleaning process is pretty straightforward. You spray the area, scrub it with the appropriate brush, and then use the machine to extract the loosened dirt and moisture. That spray, scrub, and suction combination is important because suction by itself isn't going to remove deeply embedded dirt from fabric. You need some agitation first, particularly with older stains. The included tools give you some flexibility here, and that's one of the stronger parts of this package. There is a high-density brush head, a silicone brush, a velvet brush, and a self-cleaning brush head. Having different brush options is useful because not every fabric should be treated the same way. A more aggressive brush might make sense for durable carpet, while a softer option is preferable for delicate upholstery. The important thing is to choose the attachment based on the surface rather than assuming the strongest brush is always the best choice. Another reason I think this machine makes sense for practical home use is its versatility. It's not limited to carpets. You can use this type of cleaner on furniture, car interiors, pet beds, mattresses, and other textile surfaces. That makes it more useful than a machine that only comes out of the closet when someone spills something on the carpet. If you have a car, pets, kids, or fabric furniture, there are plenty of situations where a portable spot cleaner can come in handy. The size is also a major advantage. Uwant designed this as a compact machine that can be stored in places like a kitchen cabinet, living room closet, or sideboard. That's important because carpet cleaners can be bulky, and a machine that's difficult to store tends to get used less often. A smaller unit is easier to bring out when there's a specific stain that needs attention rather than waiting until you have enough cleaning to justify dragging out a large machine. The water tank design is another feature worth paying attention to. Instead of having completely separate systems that you have to manage individually, Uwant uses a 2-in-1 tank design that combines the clean water and wastewater sections into one unit. The idea is to make filling, emptying, and handling the tanks more convenient. Being able to deal with both sides at the same time should make routine cleanup less annoying, although you still have to empty the dirty water and maintain the machine properly after use. And that's something I wouldn't overlook with any carpet cleaner. The actual cleaning performance is only half the experience. After you're finished, you have dirty water, a wet cleaning head, and potentially residue from whatever you just removed from the carpet. The included self-cleaning brush head is intended to make maintenance easier, which is a nice touch. Keeping the machine clean is important because otherwise the next time you use it, you're starting with equipment that may already have leftover moisture and residue inside. There are still some limitations to keep in mind. This is a portable spot cleaner, not a replacement for a large upright carpet cleaning machine designed to cover an entire house. If your main goal is deep cleaning multiple rooms of wall-to-wall carpet, a larger machine may be more practical. The Uwant is better suited to targeted cleaning, smaller areas, furniture, vehicles, pet beds, and those annoying stains that appear in one particular spot. I also wouldn't judge this machine solely by the advertised 18 kilopascals number. Higher suction can be beneficial, but real-world results depend on several factors. A stain that has been sitting for months may require multiple treatments, and heavily soiled carpet may need more than one pass. That's normal for this category, and it's better to have realistic expectations than assume a specification automatically translates into perfect results. For pet owners, though, the combination of strong suction, pet-focused cleaning solution, multiple brushes, and portable design is appealing. Pet-related accidents can happen on carpets, couches, mattresses, and pet beds, so having one compact machine that can move between those surfaces is convenient. The spray bottle also gives you another way to pre-treat stubborn spots rather than relying entirely on the machine itself. I think the Uwant 18 kilopascals carpet cleaner makes the most sense for someone who wants a dedicated spot cleaning machine without committing to a large, bulky carpet cleaner. It's particularly interesting for pet owners, people with fabric furniture, and anyone who wants something they can quickly grab for spills and localized stains. The compact design also makes it easier to justify keeping one around for occasional emergencies. On the other hand, if you're looking for something to clean huge carpeted areas regularly, I'd look at a larger full-size carpet extractor instead. And if your stains are mostly light surface dust rather than wet spills or embedded dirt, you probably don't need a machine this specialized. The biggest strengths here are the 18 kilopascal suction, pet-focused cleaning solution, variety of attachments, portable design, and ability to clean more than just carpets. The biggest consideration is that it's still a compact spot cleaner, so its practical advantage comes from convenience and targeted cleaning rather than replacing a professional or full-size carpet cleaning system. Based on the specifications and intended design, the Uwant 18 kilopascals carpet cleaner looks like a sensible choice for targeted household cleaning, particularly when pets are part of the equation. It doesn't promise to eliminate the need for scrubbing or proper stain treatment, but it gives you the tools to spray, agitate, and extract in one relatively compact package. If that's the type of cleaning you actually need, this is a much more practical use case than buying a large machine just to deal with the occasional carpet stain.